Iranian forces seized two Greek tankers in the Gulf, shortly after Tehran warned it would take punitive action against Athens over the confiscation of Iranian oil by the United States from a tanker held off the Greek coast. The Revolutionary Guard's Navy today seized two Greek tankers for violations in Gulf waters, said a Guards statement, quoted by Iranian state news agent. It gave no further details and did not say what the alleged violations were. Greece's foreign ministry said an Iranian Navy helicopter landed on Greek-flagged vessel Delta Poseidon, which was sailing in international waters, 22 nautical miles from the Iranian shore, and took the crew hostage, among them two Greek citizens. Greek authorities last month impounded the Iranian-flagged Pegasus, with 19 Russian crew members on board, near the coast of the southern island of Evia due to European Union sanctions. The Pegasus was later released, but the seizure inflamed tensions at a delicate time, with Iran and world powers seeking to revive a nuclear deal that Washington abandoned under former President Donald Trump.